At first, I was like, oh no, this is gonna be easy. This is gonna be crazy easy. I paint all the time. I'm painting album covers, okay? I was wrong. This was hard as hell, and I don't want to show you what I did. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be following a Bob Ross tutorial. So hold on, y'all. What's going on? We having technical difficulties. Alright y'all, what's up? It's Zai and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing a Bob Ross tutorial. If y'all don't know, I do paint. This isn't my first rodeo. Let me show y'all some stuff so y'all not like laughing in the comments. So thank you. So this is like Acid Rap by Chance the Rapper. That's one little thing. And then this is Over It. None of these pieces are finished, so don't be choking me out in the comments. This is Over It album cover. If y'all want to see it a little bit longer, feel free to pause it. But I did the Shine album cover. This is my calculator top. And something else. Oh, and then I did the Miseducation of Lauryn Hill. But none of these pieces are finished, so don't. I'm going to be following a Bob Ross tutorial. I already picked it out. I'm going to put it here on the screen so that you guys can see it and all that fun stuff. So, y'all are going to be able to see it and see my reaction to what I got going on. So, I saw this other YouTuber by the name of Tay Pancakes. She did it because she's artsy too. And so, she did a Bob Ross tutorial too. Oh, yo, I had picked it out and I lost it. The Golden Rays of Sunshine. Let's do Golden Rays of Sunshine. I think those are trees. No. That looks like it's too much. Fisherman's Trail. Let's do Deep Woods. Okay, we're just gonna do the Deep Woods.
Making little crisscross strokes. Just little X's like so.
Alright, so I got my brushes in my crop because it got the holes and it hold it up. So I'm also not going to be cropping out. Oh shoot! I'm also not going to be pausing it. He already getting going. I got all these brushes over here. It's gonna be difficult. What do you do? Can y'all see this? Come on now. He said back and forth. What did he say? A beautiful, warm little painting. I think I'm gonna need more paint. Hold on, Bob. I gotta mix my colors, Bob. I don't have a brown, y'all, so I'm mixing these colors. I mix purple and yellow to make brown.
Little crisscross.
Oh my goodness. He is going. I'm not gonna pause this. I'm gonna try not to pause this. Crisscross strokes. My joint's still
the same thing on the other side. A little more of the dark ceiling. The yellow
I put too much pink.
Sap green.
Oh my god.
Just load both sides of the brush.
Bad.
Jump out of here. And we'll just fill that right in. I've been using a big old 2-inch brush. It only takes a second here to cover the whole canvas. That easy.
I'm real behind. He done covered this whole thing up. He has. It's a real light, bright purple, man, brown, but
yeah, I've got several brushes going here, so I don't have to spend all my time washing. I want to take a little titanium white on another.
Hold on, Bob. Now I'm gonna have to pause it because he rolled.
There's a light.
And my color hasn't even mixed. Y'all see this?
We'll just take that brush.
I'm still trying to mix the dang on colors, and he almost done painting the first underlayer.
To achieve a desired lightness.
Why is it doing this to me?
And we just blend it all
I'm
together.
gonna just go ahead.
And it'll look like maybe this is where the sun is here, up behind the cloud.
I need a whole production team right here because there's just no way. There's just no way.
It just gives us sort of a little light source.
You done went to the right.
And from that,
I done went back one time. I can't do it again.
Okay.
There's a
Keep this whole 2-inch brushes in the front.
Hold on, Bob, now.
Let's go right back into our dark sienna. Right back
And his
to
isn't even this
yellow
dark.
ochre.
I need to add some more
Add a little
yellow
here, get a little
to
satin
make it more of
grease.
a tan brown, not a like
And just tap. Use just
like
the
a
corner
dark
of the brush.
wood brown.
And you can just tap and make the indication of all kinds of little trees that are way back in the distance. Far away. We're not looking for a lot of detail here. It's too far away at this point. Later on,
Definitely. I got my canvas the wrong way. His is like this. But if I turn it that way, y'all can't see it.
Except for a little more color. And we're just mixing these colors on the brush.
Let me pull y'all down a little bit.
Maybe right here.
Oh, look. Now y'all can see everything. Okay, cool. But me.
Same thing. We're still using dark sienna. Yellow ochre.
Okay, I'm going to change my canvas. I think I was supposed to be doing this. Oh my gosh.
But that easy. You can
I
make
started out wrong.
beautiful background.
And he didn't cover the bottom either. He still has like the bottom clear. Okay, I'm going to leave that how it is.
Because it's
Oh my god.
It's some are gonna do fantastic.
He rolling. I'm gonna have to go back. Forget not pausing. I'm rewinding. That's it. I'm gonna trade it off. No pausing for rewinding. Is that the same thing? I don't think so.
Take a chance. Experiment. Enjoy.
Oh Lord.
It's white. Bright red.
A light source.
Blue.
Come on now.
Need a little more red in there. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. This is gonna make sort of a lavender color. Sort of a bluish lavender is what I'm looking for.
I don't know what the measurements for these brushes are now, but
That's pretty well ready.
what's this?
Okay. Let me grab a fan brush. I'm going to use a fan
Lord.
It's just a little color.
Some little
just go back and
trees.
forth with a fan brush. Just get a little bit of color back into it and get a little white, a little bit lighter.
My colors aren't right. I'm gonna have to add some of this white because at this point
So let's get closer to the landscape.
I gotta brighten this up. It's not supposed to be this dark. Y'all see how bright? I really want to pick this thing up. I can't see like I want to. Okay. Tap.
Layer after layer after layer. And that's what gives your paint.
Oh my gosh, I should have blended it better.
Special.
But it's just like a back and forth.
It has depth and distance. It's not just old flat painting. Okay, now we'll take a. There we are. See, another little bush maybe lives right here. And you can sort of vary these colors a little bit.
Bob, I'm gonna just. I thought I was in. Yo, forget what I said in the beginning. Forget it. Forget what I said in the beginning.
Maybe over in here there's some little bushes that just sort of fade back. There. Okay, now, once again, back to this old 2-inch brush, and we're gonna tap.
Okay, I'm behind. He said, I got good brushes. Boom, I had a brush for white. Y'all see how I made this makeshift crop thing holder? Oh, I need some more white. He said it was supposed to be a little light in the back. So what I'm gonna do is, if y'all can see, there's a little white right here. I'm gonna make that the light he was talking about. Oh, that got pink on it. Oh my goodness, where's my brushes? He is rolling. Rolling.
Just sort of decide where you want to drop it.
I don't even know what kind of brushes he's using, but these aren't the same brushes I have. I guess it's supposed to be like a little light consistency.
Here already. Just one after another goes all the way up. Can't do it. I like these
And then I missed the tree part. Hold on, Bob. Now I'm gonna be rewinded, but y'all go ahead. He's ahead of me. Let me just. Bob, I'm going back. I'm going back because you got a lot happening. Is that what he said the little light would be? The little light in the back? That little, and then if I blend it out with a light source right there, okay. I'm gonna leave that like that.
Okay.
And then go.
That gives us a basic idea of how to put in a whole bunch of little twigs and sticks and all kinds of happy little things. All right, let's go up here and get a little of the Van Dyke. There we are. Now then, maybe in here. Ooh, isn't that a beautiful color? See, maybe
He
in
said
here
something about some trees.
bushes and stuff.
Do I have black?
What do you want?
I don't know. I don't have black.
Make
I'm
a
gonna have
decision.
to make it.
Just come right up here under these big
If I
trees.
add more purple this time. Oh no, that's like a different
One side of the
brown.
brush, kind of it. Here's the other side. That's the reason we put two sides on the brush. So you can take it right there.
I am sweating because he is moving. He's a super professional painter.
Same color, we're just changing the flavor. A little lighter, a little darker here and there. So, look at it and make a decision.
Dark Seattle? Okay, so he did this motion. I think I got too much on my brush.
Paintings that have a lot of
Hold on.
shoot.
The mixing of, he said you do this and then you just push it. That ain't no happy tree. We're not using the same brush.
So we put some black in there too.
His brushes are a lot different
Leave it
than mine.
kind of marble like that. Cut off a small roll of paint.
Oh gosh.
Let's go right in here. Just get an indication here and make some little highlights that go right along in there.
I'm really not.
So you get all those variations.
What kind of brushes are you using?
Overmix your paint.
He said,
Overmix the paint.
oh, he said we're not looking for a lot of detail. You ain't said nothing but a word. You ain't said
We like
nothing.
paintings that have a lot of life in them. Shoot. Happy paintings. If you want sad things, watch the news.
Okay.
I'm just going to go right in here. Just pop in some.
Same color, but we changing the flavor. Change the flavor. Changing.
Work right down.
Okay. Changing the flavor.
So,
I don't really know.
use a little
Our
small.
colors don't look the same, but I followed it. I'm gonna edit and be like, yo, that's not what he said, dude.
Projection or big rock it is. Yeah, this.
Oh.
He hangs out over here. Big stone. There'll be another one.
What?
Just
No.
where you just sort of look at your
I don't know what
make a
this
big
is.
decision. Just
This is supposed to be a tree.
drop it in.
Let me do that. I'm trying to make it look like something, and that's just not coming out right.
You take some of the brown
Oh,
and
how-
some of the white. You just mix it together.
How is he getting these dark A colors? They be crazy dark. And I'm over here trying to figure out how to mix it to make it that dark. But when I was in like high school painting, literally everything we painted, well, when I would mix paint, I could never get the right paint color. But now all of a sudden,
You're still using
all I would used to get was like
just want to show you how you can
like browns and stuff and blacks. I could never get no cute little shades. But now that's not the case. I'm gonna let him have that. And since he took it to the bottom, it was real dark when he got to the bottom. I must say, how you make that black? Because this just gonna give me a nice little brown. If that. I done touched it and picked up, y'all. At this point, oh, I can put it back down. That looks good. It looks black, but
into a little white, little brown. This painting was done almost
no,
totally in brown.
that's some foolishness because he. What'd you say?
Very nice
What'd you say?
little painting.
I need the palette because this is just inhumane. Huh? The white highlights, he's using some silver thing. I got this. I don't know what this thing is called. But I'm gonna do the same thing to the paint. I'm gonna do the same thing. Yeah. Happy paintings. You got purple trees in this bitch. You want sad things? Watch that news in 2020. Bitch probably didn't see that coming. He two for two right now because 3 for 3 actually, because this dang on trees in the beginning, them red and blue trees again, and now this. I used to really think I was a really good painter. Like really up until making this video, he has made me out to be a liar, and I'm making a mess. Look at this. I got paint on my dang on pen. A mess. I knew that was gonna happen though coming out here. I'm definitely, let's see. He's adding black. I'm not gonna do that because at this point I don't have black, and the colors in this one is just all wrong. All wrong. I don't really like listen. Bob made me out to be a liar. All those paintings that I showed you in the beginning, what painting? I got all these utensils for what? For what? Ooh. I'm gonna take me out of it because at this point, actually, I'm gonna push this backward and do that. Splashes. All right, guys. So I'm gonna attempt this part one last time. I don't know how long I got. Wow. I don't know. I don't really know. He's really taking me through a loop here. Some splashes. I got your splashes. I got your splashes right here, Bob. You gotta make them come off. You gotta make them get off. See, at first I just knew. Let me bring you closer to me so I can tell you how I really feel. At first, I was like, oh no, this is gonna be easy. This is gonna be crazy easy. I paint all the time. I'm painting album covers, okay? I was wrong. This was hard as hell, and I don't want to show you what I did. I don't want to show you how it came out. Let me unzoom. I don't want to show you what I did because it's just too much. Look at this. It doesn't matter. Look at this shit. Look at this. I was trying to paint this thing and record it. No.